Hey guys, I'm back and today I'm going to show you how to cover an opening on the inside wall of the house. So this giant opening here is about 5 feet by 3 feet in size and is on a bedroom wall of the house. I don't know who in their right mind would leave this giant opening on a bedroom wall, that too without any provision of covering it if need be, like window or something. So I have no idea about the thought process of the designer who left this giant opening in the wall, but I'm going to cover it and then I'm going to build the built-in storage on this wall. So let's start. I am attaching 1x2s on the outside wall. You will see in a minute why. So I have nailed these 3 temporary supports for the drywall to lean against. So I think I'm going to install 2 more supports on the side so that the drywall doesn't go out and stays flush with the wall. I then tested for the frame depth with 2x4s and a piece of drywall so that the drywall would be flush with the existing wall. 2x4s were not wide enough to build the frame. So making the frame to attach drywall out of 2x4s is out of question. So I'm gonna rip 2x6s to the appropriate width and then complete the frame with those. It would have been much easier for me to assemble a frame for this rectangle in my shop, which is 2 floors down from here, and then attach that frame on all 4 sides if it was a proper rectangle. It looks like it, but it's not. This rectangle is pretty crooked. So what I'm going to do is measure and cut each stud individually and then attach those with pocket screws. I'll just mark the location for the studs and then measure and cut. Before screwing in the studs, I once again made sure the drywall would be flush with the existing wall. I used speed square for the straightness of the middle studs. Next, I attached the drywall with 1.5-inch drywall screws. I used my stud finder to make sure that I was screwing right in the middle of the studs. Because I used 2 pieces of drywall because I had those on hand, I applied drywall mud between the joints for strength. I then got to the outside wall, which was about 15 feet above ground. I had to do everything standing on an extension ladder, which was a first for me. I'm not gonna lie, it was quite daunting in the beginning, but when I got used to it, it was not that bad. Only I had to be a bit extra careful. After screwing in the drywall, next I applied mud and drywall tape to all the joints. After letting it dry for about 24 hours, I sanded and did 2 more skim coats, letting each coat dry for 24 hours. I have to admit, sanding is my least favorite thing to do in any project. So after doing 3 skim coats, sanding between each coat, this wall is all done. Only thing now left to do is paint it to match the rest of the wall, which is not happening anytime soon because I need to replace the flooring and few other things in this room before I get to paint the walls. But I did paint the other side of the wall and that looks just perfect. So that concludes today's video. I'm Sujata, Muri's handy mom, and I will see you guys soon with another project. Until then, take care.